A whole new way of making an explanation video. The easiest and the simplest way to create a video in the most familiar way with the most familiar tools. Create your video. You can create a video using your own material, anywhere, anytime, in under 5 minutes. Share your video with your students via an LMS. Don't waste your time setting up equipment and editing. Just grab and write. With plate paper, you can load PDF and JPEG files from your device and write on top of it. With the Smart Class Note, you can create a video from scratch, just like when you explain something on a whiteboard. Make your first lecture video now with the Smart Class Kit.